Okay, let's play a game. Missile. Hello, once again I have a game on the breadboard. This is cool project for your kids or for you if you love to play games. This is my first game for a round display. Actually, I wrote this game a while ago, but I decided to modify it, so now we can play it using on this round display and Arduino NANO ESP32. This display is 240 by 240 SPI display, and the driver for display is GC9A01. And this is a new Arduino board. I showed you this board 2 weeks ago, and you can find that video in the description. Arduino finally decided to release a board powered by ESP32 microcontroller. And now we have a fast and breadboard friendly Arduino which is capable of running this kind of games with this moving background animations and effects. It is small and compact, but it still have many available GPIOs we can use. So in this case I'm using 6 GPIOs for push buttons. I'm using these 2 pins push buttons because they are very easy to use. One side goes to ground and one side goes to GPIO. In code you can see pins which are used for push button. So left push button is connected to pin 1, up is pin 3, and so on. Like I said in the last video, I'm using not pins, I'm using these numbers for pins. So I'm not using names D12, D11, D10, I'm using 47, 38, 21, 80, 70. These pins are used for connecting a display. Don't forget to set up your TFT API library, so you are using setup file 200, and these are pins. And display is connected on, let's say, most easiest way. Ground is ground, VCC is connected to voltage in, because this display needs 5 volts. 3.3 volts from this Arduino Nano is not enough, so we are using 5 volts from USB. And D12 is connected to serial clock, D11 is connected to serial data, and so on. D10 is reset, D8 is DC, and D7 is CS. And game itself is very... It is space game, of course, and in this game I need to kill this enemy, which is some kind of nebula or something. Game gets harder and harder, faster and faster, and it is very challenging. That's it. Code is in description, so I hope some of you will build this. It is a very fun project, and it was very fun to connect all these parts using these tiny wires. Tell me what you think in comments, and I will see you next week. If you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe, and like always, if you want to support my work, if this is useful to you, you can always buy me a coffee. I appreciate very much. Thank you and goodbye.